Hello, I'm Benjamin Duck, Director of Market Intelligence at the Association of Equipment Manufacturers. Today, I would like to provide a quick briefing on the recently released AAM statistics for two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive tractors and self-propelled combines. This monthly report provides member companies and the industry as a whole not only insight in the monthly sales figures, but also the underlying trend of the makeup of the market by size and equipment category and their corresponding beginning inventory. Now let's take a look. In February, retail sales of farm tractors and self-propelled combines continued their decline, even sparking a reversal of an upward trend for smaller, less than 40 horsepower and 40 to 100 horsepower tractors. Sales for two-wheel drive tractors declined 7.1% compared to February last year. While we can still see some small growth in less than 40 horsepower and 40 to 100 horsepower tractors year to date, the monthly numbers indicate a flat 0.1% growth for less than 40 horsepower and a 10% decline for 40 to 100 horsepower. Year to date, the numbers still look more like we have come to expect, but only because of January's boost in these categories. As we have indicated before, the sales of smaller tractors seem to be more closely tied to ground care services, hobby farmers, and livestock, while larger equipment is more strongly aligned with farm income. We expect drops in winter months, but these drops are decreases in year-over-year growth, removing seasonal changes. Now, while there's been a recent drop in builders' confidence due to the high snowfall and a downward movement in the AIA's billing index, which has a 9-month lead on the market, we would have expected the market to perform a little bit better compared to last year when we experienced the winter vortex. Additionally, according to the first 2015 farm income forecast of the USDA, livestock receipts, an area that grew in 2014 and was one of the supporting pillars of equipment sales last year, is also set to decline 4.9%, largely due to lower milk prices. BMI Monitor International does expect milk prices to recover somewhat in the second half of 2015 as demand of Asia will pick up. Larger farm equipment, such as four-wheel drive farm tractors and the self-propelled combines, saw a 38.2% and a 21.3% decrease year-over-year respectively, continuing the negative trends from last year. Though the year-over-year declines were a little bit less severe than in January 2015. Naturally, the US economy does not exist in a vacuum, and the ag downturn is a global phenomenon. Low commodity prices relative to the last several years and increasing fiscal and economic problems in several major regions worldwide are impacting the markets. Let's take a look at some of the global numbers. These numbers come from the Agri-Evolution Alliance, of which AAM is a secretariat. More information on Agri-Evolution can be found on the Agri-Evolution webpage, agrievolution.com, or on the Market Intelligence page on the AAM.org website. There's an uneven market in Europe, and in Asia, the declines are mostly focused on China. In South America, the Brazilian market, which remains highly subsidized, experienced not only lower commodity prices, but also a delay in the government's financing program. When we look at the tractor market development in terms of unit sales, we can see a global picture emerging. Agri-Evolution is estimating a 5% decrease in the global tractor market in 2015, with stronger trends in emerging markets and weaker demand in the developed markets of North America and Western Europe. This global market turbulence is also affecting the US exports of farm machinery. Exports of US-made agricultural equipment ended 2014 with a 29.2% drop compared to 2013, for a total of 8.5 billion shipped to global markets. All world regions recorded declines, double digits in fact, except for Central America. Leading the way are Asia, Europe, and Canada, according to the Department of Commerce. This concludes our summary of the February equipment sales activity. Thank you for watching this AAM Ag Sector Update, and I hope you have a great day.